do a cold open. Cold open. So, in case you have no idea what I'm talking about, a cold open is this. I don't have to actually stand here. Hello everybody, welcome to another Cool Tool Tuesday. I'm finally back for another one. I've had a bit of a hiatus, apparently. This week, just nice and quick, we're going to talk about Camellia Oil. I'm a camellia. Camellia Oil. There's no R in it. It's not Camellia Oil, in case you get confused. I now know. So this stuff has been used by Japanese tool makers and craftsmen for at least centuries. I don't want to say millennia, that seems a bit epic. But it's fantastic for inhibiting rust on your carbon steel tools, which most of your chisels and planes and anything with a cutting edge on it is some form of carbon steel. It's fantastic for keeping the rust at bay. Also, it is very good as a lubricant on your sharpening stones and whatnot if water isn't really suitable for that particular application. Very handy little pump spray bottle. It's 8 ounces, whatever that is, 245 milliliters for those of us who live in, you know, this current modern age. And you can get it here at Timbecon. I bet you didn't even know we carried stuff like this. You thought it was all just tools and chisels and planes and whatnot. But no. Camellia oil in a little pump bottle. It's very cool. And, you know, it's got a pair of katana on the bottle, which is just nice and classy and fancy. It means to serve. This will serve you well. Like always, for everything you need to know to get woodworking, come on down to the shop here in Reservoir. Talk to the guys. They know everything there is to know about woodworking. There's also a store in Perth if you're out that way. Or you can always check us out online at www.timbecon.com.au. They got everything you need. We'll ship it to your house. You don't even have to go anywhere. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get emailed every time we put stuff up, and you'll always know what's going on in our world. I'm Phil Shinbine, and I will see you when I see you. In theory.